I just planned out my YouTube and Instagram posts for this week and next week. Now I'm about to start my Sweat It to Shred It video. I'm gonna do a review of that. That's pretty much what's going on. I feel like today's a pretty boring day, honestly. Death by Sarah's day. Oh my god. Can you even like see how much I'm sweating right now? Droplets of sweat. My god. Just finished day 1 and oh my god. Like, these workouts are really freaking hard. The movements are like pretty simple and I like that you kind of move at your own pace. Like, it's 30 seconds work, 10 seconds off. It's good because you can kind of like work at your own pace and push yourself as much as you want to push yourself. But yeah, whew, no joke. My biggest tip would just be to like stay moving, and even if you're not doing the workout like full on, like hard as you can go, just keep moving with it. You'll get a great workout in. That was awesome. Literally after the first exercise, I was dead. We need to do something with this hair. So today's actually Wednesday because on like, I guess Monday evening I tried to film something and my camera just like wasn't letting me film anything. So then yesterday I spent like my whole day trying to fix my memory card and I fixed it. So we're picking this up on Wednesday. Yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right back into it, but welcome back guys. Sorry for that intermission. We just watched Ratatouille, so someone was feeling inspired. What do we have here?
So what I prepared for you this morning is a 2-egg omelet filled with sauteed red pepper, or
some behind the scenes right here.
Orange pepper, some spinach, and a little bit of arugula, and some red onion. Yeah, there's a little bit of arugula in that little mix.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Topped with avocado and a sprinkle of chili lime seasoning, and garnished with a baby spinach leaf.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Chef.
There you go. Thank you.
I just put this hair mask in and it smells so good. I just needed one because like when I dyed my hair, it didn't feel like super dry or damaged or anything like that. But then once I started using like purple shampoo, which I really only use like, I think realistically I use it like once a month, maybe twice a month. Like I don't really use it that much because I don't really feel like I need it. Ever since I started using that, I just feel like my hair's been like kind of dry, and I don't even really have like more split ends or anything like that. It just feels really dry. So I'm trying this out. I asked on my Instagram like what hair masks people use, and a lot of people said they liked this one, so I'm trying it out. But it smells amazing. So far no complaints. Honestly, I think they look pretty good. The only thing that sucks is that like we didn't have a buffer, so I feel like you can like see my nails a little uneven, and then like I don't really know how to like push back my cuticles or anything like that. And I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna just like make my hand bleed today. And it's just so much cheaper than a manicure, so I definitely feel like I'll be doing this even when we get out of quarantine. Lunch today, I'm having tacos. We found whole wheat tortillas. We got those this round. And then Grant's making something fun.
I'm making boneless buffalo chicken bites.
So he's cutting up everything.
Should be good.
He's got the whole setup. I need to work out because I'm doing that Sweat It to Shred It review, but I'm literally so sleepy. I didn't sleep. I thought I slept really well last night, but now I'm thinking maybe I didn't because I've just felt very like, I don't know, like just like slow today, I guess. I'm gonna take like a quick 20-minute nap and then do my workout. I took my nap, I did my Sarah's Day Sweat It to Shred It workout, and now I'm gonna make dinner. I just wanna make like a ton of vegetables, so I need to cut things up. Tonight, whole wheat pasta, a bunch of veggies, and then I just made a sauce. Gonna watch a movie.
Oh, yes! This is TikTok fame.
Oh, it's like blurry. Hold on. Will made his first TikTok, and this right here, that's the aftermath of the TikTok. What's your TikTok handle?
At WIK Brooks.
Wow. So 2 nights ago we made brownies and we all agreed that we couldn't eat all of them in 24 hours. So this is what's left. There's one left. We're addicted. We're just gonna split one of these because we're out of eggs.
Sad day.
It is a sad day, but it's just a veggie omelet with some cheese.
And a little bit of love.
So that's yours, and that's mine. We made a bunch of potatoes, and I've been trying to put them all in this container, but I think I'm just really have to come to terms with the facts that like it's just not gonna fit. Also, this baking sheet is disgusting, and we just bought new ones. They're coming in this weekend. Nothing makes me feel more organized than having new kitchen stuff, you know? I feel like such an adult. I'm gonna put a few more in here and then just eat the rest. We really desperately need to get more Tupperware, and I want to buy glass ones because I feel like they're better. I'm literally just gonna eat the rest of these off of this baking sheet. They're delicious. My hair is like so icky right now, but I'm gonna try to like give it beach waves because we're gonna take some pictures for Instagram. So that's the goal. Waiting for my straightener to heat up. But I wanted to ask you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, or actually even if you don't follow me on Instagram, do you guys watch IGTVs? Because I'm deciding if I want to put up some like follow along workouts on IGTV, but I don't know if people actually like watch them, you know? So let me know if you guys watch them, but let me know if you guys like even watch that kind of stuff, because if I'm being honest with you guys, like I don't really watch Instagram TV or anything like that, but if people are into it, like it looks kind of fun. My hair literally looks so disgusting. I did that hair mask and my hair is clean, it's just like too clean, and this is why I only wash my hair like once a week. I definitely will not be doing that hair mask once a week. I think like maybe bi-weekly, because it just made my hair so greasy. Yeah, my hair's just like, it gets really greasy. Honestly, it gets really greasy, but when I stopped washing it as often, it like wasn't anymore. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh, it kind of worked. But do we want that, or do we just want curls? If this one looks bad, I'm just gonna straighten it and put my hair in a ponytail. I'm just gonna straighten it. I'm just gonna straighten the whole thing. Will and I took like a bunch of pictures for Instagram, but other than that, I feel like I've had such a boring day today. Like, mostly just been on my computer and stuff. There is like stuff all over the bed. I'm very just like discombobulated right now. But this ended up being the final product and they were so good. We definitely have lunch for tomorrow and maybe the next day. Both of us only ate half a potato.
Yeah, I couldn't. I was stuffed.
Yeah, they were really good.
Very easy to make. Highly recommend.
I'm gonna end off the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video.